after a long winter's wait, the project car is en route to get some serious work done. We're gonna get some custom fab action going on here.
Cool.
Subframe removed.
Just do some work.
All right, let's get a little before and after action. Look at that. Oh yeah. Sweet.
Hey.
So is this gonna give me how many seconds do I shave off my time? Or probably add to my time, right? Because I'm gonna go sideways. Okay, this is attempt 2 at BMW Special Tool 2510. All right, Brad, there we go. Bushings out. That was a big job. It's gonna be awesome.
Okay.
All right, we're putting in the bushings, the last of the solid subframe bushings. Aluminum going in. All right, guys, we've got some Pour 15 on the subframe, looking good. The solid bushings. Also getting some other components all Pour 15'd up.
Your hands into these. Don't push against the end of them. Reach the other hand over and pull the glove on like push on it. Okay, makes sense?
Yeah.
All right, so then what you want to do is wherever it's rusty, so just squirt it a little bit. I just want to see it squirt a little bit. That's it. So there's going to be sand coming out. So just squirt and you're going to see it's going to clean it up a little bit, just nice and slow.
All right, this is Sean's welding project. Getting the subframe ready to go.
Better than that one.
Let's see. Nice. Building a race car, Sean. All right, Sean's doing some bolt remover here. We had a snapped bolt. All right, Sean's in the paint shop. Not too close. Okay, that's good. All right, we're going with blue. BMW blue. Sean in the paint department. Looking good, looking good. Got the Pour 15 going. Sweet. Love the blue. Okay guys, we're gonna turn the corner and we're gonna start assembling. So we've got the ECS tuning polyurethane diff bushings. So we're gonna start assembling these. It's going in?
Yeah.
It's that special grease, hey? Comes with the kit. Splicing the hard brake lines. What do you think, Sean?
I don't know what it's for.
You don't know what it's for, the brake line?
No, I don't know why he's placing it.
Well, because look at it. It's crap. We can't have that on our M3. Ooh-wee, we got some hard brake line replacement action going on here. Nice hard brake line replacement. I guess when there's nothing underneath, you might as well do it all.
Everything.
Right, everything. So, this was rusted out, so we were replacing that. We're going with the ECS tuning stainless steel lines, as you all know by now. And that line comes up over the top. It's going to join in here, and then it's going to head back into here. So that's how it looks under the gas tank for now, and those fuel lines also get replaced. All right, here's Sean. Sean, taking off the fuel lines with no glasses. We're gonna put new fuel lines on this baby, and then put the gas tank back up. Well, actually, put the new gas tank back up.
New, old.
The new old, of course.
New to us.
New to us, absolutely. Okay, we had to switch over gas tanks, so here's the fuel pump. And we got the other level sensor on. There we go, guys. Fuel tank back in. Almost, just about. We're just gonna go up top and make sure everything looks good upstairs. Reassembly's happening, subframes up. Here we go, diff is in. Looking good. Hold it up.
Some heavy breathing and heavy huffing going on here. They're getting the torsion bar put together. It's the father and son tag team. Don't mess with them. Sean, you paying attention? You on task, mate?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, put the socket in it to try to turn it.
Easy.
Okay, it's got to go in straight. Yeah.
Let's see here. Let's go.
I can't see with your finger. There you go. Oh, and we do have the springs in. These are the dinnan. By the way, never buy them the way they're packed.
Oh my
it's
God.
ridiculous.
Gunther and the boys were not thinking in Germany.
No, not thinking at all. All right, guys, we're baking the calipers to get the rust off. So we have a little science experiment going. See the bubbles going, the little bubble action? That's the chemistry doing the work. So we'll check these out in a little bit. Okay guys, we got the brakes out of the electrolysis, disassembled them, and painted red. So they're all ready to go on. So we used the high temperature brake paint and did it with a brush. Okay, this is madness. Complete madness. I think let's do a rubber piece delete on that. The dinnans are going on in the front. Okay, here we have the front end. The painted calipers are on. Motorsport hardware, wheel studs, ECS tuning stainless steel, brake lines, put on new end links, and this is the moment that I've been waiting for. Put these bad boys on. 265, 35, 18 square. Yeah, baby. Here's a nice look at the fitment. Looks pretty sweet. Feel like it's a lot lower to the ground too. So we're rocking. Here we go. Bottom end is all buttoned up. And we got Sean's part right there. You can probably see his signature. I'm just doing one final inspection before we lower, go for alignment. Okay guys, we're wrapping up. How many days? This would be 5 days.
Straight.
5 days straight, 12-hour days in the garage, wrenching, building race cars, right?
Pretty much.
Yeah, and so we got the rear end almost done, and then we're gonna go on to the front end, I guess.
Well, you decided that we're gonna tear the front end apart now.
Yeah, yeah, because the rear end was so easy.
Yeah,
it was so easy.
It was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. No comment.
What was your best part, Sean?
Welding.
Welding? Yeah. What else?
I don't know.
I don't know. Just wrenching,
Getting
putting
bad
stuff together.
advice from me. Right?
Ah, you did.
It'll take them 2 weeks to deprogram you. Now hanging around with me for 5 days.
Yeah, exactly. You're like a grease monkey
You
now,
want
right?
coffee, right? You need coffee. Yeah, have a coffee on the way home.
Well, Sean slept in the mornings, right? I was out here usually at 7.
Yeah.
And Kirk, you're here at usually 7:30.
Yeah.
And then Sean is like 8 the first 3 or 4 days, and then he kind of came in at 10 today.
He's a bit tired. I wore him out.
Yeah.
All this non-Xboxing is good, you know?
Yeah, I can't believe it. 5 days without a PS4.
You feeling okay? You sick? No, it's okay.
What are you going to do when you get home?
powerflex friend.
No.
No!
You're gonna mount your trophy.
Yes, you got your trophies. You got your weld. Oh, we need to make sure we bring that home.
Yeah.
And
Your first weld stuff.
I strongly recommend you take a shower.
Yes. I would encourage you to have a shower before you went home.
Yeah.
Mom will not be impressed.
And yeah, so that pretty much wraps up 5 days. And here's the beauty right here. And almost track ready. So we probably put in, I don't know, how many hours? Probably, who knows?
5 times 10, so 50 times 2 people is 100 hours.
So over 100 hours so far.
No.
Plus the other 2
No.
days.
Then there was nearly 40 hours in the other 2 days, right?
In the other 2 days. And then we probably have another at least 2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
Well, at least 4 days probably.
Yeah.
So, yeah, all compressed into March. So
March is race building season. It's car
Yes.
building season, right?
we have 2 seasons in Canada, right?
Yes. Preparation and racing.
Preparation and racing.